Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a Halloween wreath. The wreath that I am going to make today is a duplicate of this Anthropologie wreath, and I have this natural green cypress branches that I am going to use and a ring wreath base. Let's get started. First we are going to take some of the greenery and start making bunches of it. We are going to start by taking bunches of our greenery and tying it up. You can use floral wire. I am using a jute twine here. Just make bunches of it and start tying it around the wreath base. Don't worry about this part being visible because our layers will cover it up nicely. So you are going to repeat this process until the entire wreath ring is covered in greenery. So our wreath is prepared, but the anthro wreath has some stringing vines here, so I am going to add a little greenery here, like so. Once our wreath is ready, we are going to spray paint it black. So let's get it done.